All right, breaking news. A leader from the Congress party has given a caste and a communal overtone to the Vikas Dubey encounter. Congress leader Hussain Dalwai says Muslims and Dalits are killed during encounters, but Brahmins have been gunned down this time.
अभी तक जो बड़े पैमाने पे इनकाउंटर हुए वो मुसलमानों के और दलितों के हुए हैं। पहली बार एक ब्राह्मण मारा गया है, इसलिए बड़ा गड़बड़ी हो गई है। पूरा देश इसके ऊपर चर्चा करने लगा है। और मैं आपको बोलूं, इससे योगी राज जी को गद्दी खाली करनी पड़ेगी।
Across to my colleague Nilanshu, who's with us. You know, Nilanshu, what this Congress leader has said, Hussain Dalwai, who anyway is known to be a motor mouth, but he's, indicated towards the larger picture, the entire caste communal angle which is being driven out of this encounter. Of course, Hussain Dalwai has given it a communal color, but till now it was also very caste entrenched, where you talk about, Rajput versus Brahman, something which was even brought out by Uday Raj today.
Preeti, a lot of people are raising this issue on social media as well, but we spoke to the state government and also to the UP police. The police said that all the investigations are being done fairly, and the way this encounter has happened, it was genuine. It was a retaliation because gangster Vikas Dubey tried to flee from the spot when the car overturned, and he also fired on the police force, and in retaliation he sustained injuries, and later he was taken to the hospital where the gangster was declared dead. So the UP government is also saying that this case should not be associated or linked with caste, community or religion, because Vikas Dubey was a dreaded criminal. There were cases filed against him, and the UP government is accusing the opposition parties of giving patronage to him when they were in power. So obviously the political blame game is happening, but yes, the government clearly says that this issue should not be given any caste or communal color.
But that's what I'm saying, if you look at it, Nilanshu, and take us through the twists and turns of this case, because there seemingly, even before the encounter took place, after or even before the arrest, a lot of lobbies were pitching this as a Rajput versus Brahmin fight in Uttar Pradesh. We already have undertones of the Congress launching an entire campaign around the Brahmin vote in Uttar Pradesh, especially as we're going to move forward to an election in 2022. You had Udit Raj today, who is a Dalit leader, come out and bring out the same facet. And now Hussain Dalwai, who's known to be a motor mouth, has given it a communal twist.
Preeti, what we have been told from our sources in the opposition parties, some of the opposition leaders have said off the record that there are top bureaucrats and police officials belonging to the Brahman community. They are holding the key position. They are somewhere in power in the government, and that is why somewhere the police was sympathetic towards Vikas Dubey. But as I said, both the government and the police have rejected this. They are saying that whatever information is being spread on social media is misleading, and it is also possible that the police can take action against those spreading such kind of information on social media, because the government is clearly saying that this issue should not be linked to any caste, community or religion. Vikas Dubey was a dreaded criminal, and the government is committed to direct the police to ensure that the families of 8 policemen who were killed get justice, and that is why ADG has also made it clear that this case will be fast-tracked, and the police is collecting all the required evidences that will be presented in court.
Nilanshu, stay with us. The politics in Uttar Pradesh has always been entrenched in caste and even communal color. Where caste is concerned, right now the undertones to this entire encounter was a lobby which pitched this as Rajput versus Brahmin. Dubey was a Brahmin, and the Rajputs lobby and the Brahmin lobby, especially the political lobby, were up against each other on it, especially on social media. Now, give it real context. The Congress is actually launching an entire campaign which will go forward, taking forward the interest with what they say of the Brahmins in Uttar Pradesh, which as per them is being marginalized and compromised by the Thakur Rajput lobby, to which the Congress says is headed by none else but the Chief Minister of Uttar Pradesh, Yogi Adityanath, who's a Thakur Rajput himself. But having said that, this is the first time a communal twist has also been given, because till now you've had a caste color to it. But let's listen in to Hussain Dalwai, known to be a motor mouth of a leader. Listen in to what he said.
अभी तक जो बड़े पैमाने पे इनकाउंटर हुए वो मुसलमानों के और दलितों के हुए हैं। पहली बार एक ब्राह्मण मारा गया है, इसलिए बड़ा गड़बड़ी हो गई है। पूरा देश इसके ऊपर चर्चा करने लगा है। और मैं आपको बोलूं, इससे योगी राज जी को गद्दी खाली करनी पड़ेगी।
Hi everyone, Preeti Chaudhary here. Hope you like this video. For latest news and analysis, like and subscribe to the India Today YouTube channel. And don't forget to press the bell icon to stay updated. Thank you for watching.